Take a wildfire getaway.
Hello guys, my name is Jonathan Michael, and today I will show you how to make a deep fried Oreos. The first ingredients that we need is instant pancake powder, egg, a glass of water, and of course our favorite food in the world, Oreo. And let's check it out. Hola, it's me, Jonathan Michael, and today I will show you guys how to make a fried Oreos. The first step that we must do is mix the pancake flour, water, egg, and sugar into a bowl. Then stir with hand whisks, or if you don't have, you can use balloon whisks, until evenly for 1 to 2 minutes. Not too long because the dough can feel it. And in this video, I don't use hand whisks because I don't have it. I use a big spoon, and you can do that too to substitute the hand whisks and the balloon whisks. Oh, and this part is so boring. I want to cut it, but I'm scared I'm not achieve the target of 5 minutes. So enjoy watching me whisk this dough for 1 minute. Hey, I'm back, and the next step of making this special fried Oreo is turn on the stove. And you can see it's too hard for me to turn off the stove because I'm not a pro. And don't forget to pour 1 liter vegetable oil in the center of frying pan or Teflon, and dip a cookie in the mixture and completely cover it so you cannot see through the dough. Fry it for 2 minutes until the color turns into golden brown. Don't leave it and stay in your place, or you will get a black fried Oreo, and I guarantee no one will eat it. Oh, and by the way, we use strawberry Oreos for the recipes, but feel free to experiment with your favorite Oreo variation. After a long time, deep fried Oreo is ready to serve. After all the step is done, you can add some garnish in the plate. And today I use cheese, chocolate milk, and some Regal biscuit. And I want to taste it right now. The Oreo tastes like a brownies, but has more soft texture because the bread, and more sweet because the chocolate milk. Oh my god, this is so delicious. You must try this at home, guys.